Managing tasks or organizing tasks is a very important function for all the educators. All the educators are performing various activities or tasks in a day. They are taking classes, they are meeting with parents, they are organizing events, they are checking the homeworks, preparing the lesson plans, and once they come to home, sometimes they are teaching, sometimes they are learning, and different other activities. It makes sense for all the educators to organize their tasks, and Google is enabling all the educators by providing two beautiful tools by which you can manage your task. The first one is Google Calendar. Google Calendar is a time management and scheduling services, and not many educators are using Google tools, but once you learn it, I am sure you will start Google Calendar in most of your activities in a day. Using Google Calendar, you can organize an event, you can manage your time, you can book appointment slots, even you can make your calendar public. So let's go to the live demonstration of a calendar, and here is the calendar. So for example, we can create different events using this option of create, and once we have created the event, this kind of calendar will appear. For example, this is the calendar for class 8, so wherein this is their timing of their subjects for a day of 31st March. If I see on weekly basis, I can see this calendar for them. Similarly, we can make different other calendars. For example, I have another calendar for principal. So this is the way principal can manage all their activities in the calendar. And the best part of it, we can make all the calendars live on the websites. So let me take you to the website where we have embedded various calendar. For example, if you have a lab, if you have a computer lab in your school, you can have a lab calendar where anyone can see where the lab has been booked. Similarly, we can embed class calendar on the website, and as well as we can embed calendar for the principal or for the class teacher. Another very important functionalities of the calendar is appointment slots. So let me take you to live demonstration of appointment slots. For example, if you are organizing parent-teacher meeting, and where you are giving flexibility to the parents where they can come, when they can come and meet you. So for example, this is the way they can book the slots. If they will click onto it, it means they want to book a slot for 11:30 to 12 p.m. and this is the address, and this is the way they can save the appointment. And similarly, as soon as they save the appointment, it will reflect on your calendar as well. So these are some of the use cases of calendar.